Now we will discuss first question. A population has a stable growth. The shape of the pyramid will be, and the options are triangular, upright, urn shaped, and bell shaped. In this question, the right option will be option D, bell shaped. Second question. Glison's capsule covers, and the options are hepatic lobule, pancreatic acini, gallbladder, spleen. In this question, the right option will be option A. Now question number 3. With respect to Chargaff's rule, select the option that shows appropriate base pairing. And the options are AGCT, ACGT, ATGC, all the follows. In these questions, the right option will be option C, ATGC. Question number 4. Ashwagandha and Petunia belong to the family of, and the options are Liliaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Brassicaceae. In these questions, the right option will be option C. In question number 5, we have to first observe the figure. Observe the pie chart, and we have to identify option A and option B. First observe this picture. There is moss, ferns, algae, lichens, and option A and option B. And the right options are, and the options are Bryophyta gymnosperm, Fungi gymnosperm, Pteridophytes angiosperm, Pansy angiosperm. In this question, the right option will be option D, Fungi and angiosperm. See, there is some relative contribution of various greenhouse gases to the total global warming. There is a column of carbon dioxide, methane, CFC. Now we have to identify the right proportion of carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, and N2O. After comparing the right options, we can calculate what should be the right options in these questions. For question number 6, the right option will be option C. That means carbon dioxide in the concentration of 60%, methane 20%, and CFC 14%. Now question number 7. Which characteristics is not possessed by the phylum Annelida? And the options are closed circulatory system, segmentation, pseudocoelom, ventral nerve cord. In this question, the right option will be option C. Now we have to identify the A, B, C, D in this figure. Now the options are seminal vesicle, vas deferens, prostate, bulbourethral gland. Now if we arrange in the right order, then the right option should be option A, that is, this is seminal vesicle, B, vas deferens, C, prostate, and D, bulbourethral gland. Question number 9. How many ATP and NADPH are required for the fixation of 5 molecules of CO2 in the C3 cycle? And the options are 18 ATP and 12 NADPH, 15 ATP and 10 NADPH, 10 ATP and 10 NADPH, 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. In this question, the right option will be option C. Now question number 10. In which of the following organisms the feature of menstrual cycle during sexual reproduction is observed? And the options are, here is some options: most seasonal breeders, human females, old world monkeys and apes and tigers. And now the right option should be in this question option B, human females and C, old world monkey and apes. Now these two options are presenting in the option B. So the right option will be option B. Question number 11. Which one of the following cannot be explained by the law of dominance? And the options are, the discrete unit controlling a particular characteristics is called as factor. In a pair of factor, one unit factor is dominant while other is recessive. Alleles do not show any blending and both the character recover as such in epigeneration. Last option is factor occur in pairs. In these questions, the right option will be option C. Question 12. The synthesis of non-essential amino acids like glutamic acid, aspartic acid, etc. takes place during, and the options are catabolism, anabolism, both A and B, none of this. In these questions, the right option will be option B, catabolism. Question number 13. The structure that is present in the 9th abdominal segment of cockroach is, and the options are anal style in male, anal cerci in female, anal style and antennae in female, both A and C. In this question, the right option will be option A, anal style in male. Now, first you have to read the options. Parathyroid hormone regulates the metabolism of calcium. Vasopressin is also called antidiuretic hormone. Graves' disease is caused by malfunctioning of the adrenal gland. Oxytocin facilitates parturition by acting on the middle layer of the uterus, which is made up of striated involuntary muscles. In these questions, what are the statements are correct and what are the statements are incorrect, we have to identify. In this question number 14, option 1 and 2 is correct. Option 1 and 2 is correct. But and 3 also is correct. But sorry, 1 and 2 correct and 3 or 4 are wrong. So the right option will be option B. 1 and 2 are true, 3 and 4 are false. Question 15. The pollen tube enters the ovule through, and the options are antibodal cell, microfile, degenerating synagids, all of this. In these questions, the right option will be option B, microfile. Question number 16. According to the most accepted theory of origin of our universe, the universe is, and the options are 10 billion years old, 20 billion years old, 14 billion years old, and 55 billion years old. In these questions, the right option will be option B, 20 million years old. Question number 17. In which of the following does pollination takes place? And the options are pteridophytes and angiosperm, angiosperm and gymnosperm, angiosperm and fungi, bryophytes and angiosperm. In these questions, the right option will be option B, angiosperm and gymnosperm. Question number 18. The exchange of chromosomal segments between non-sister chromatid is seen during, and the options are liptotiny, phacotyny, diplotiny and diakinesis. In these questions, the right option will be option B, phacotyny. Next question. Question number 19. The phenomenon of induction of flowering upon low temperature treatment is known as, and the options are vernalization, photoperiodism, cryopreservation, cryostat. In this question, the right option will be option A, vernalization. Question number 20. Who from the following first proposed the natural system of classification? In this question, the options are Angler and Planter, Hutchinson, Tarzan and Bentham and Hooker. In this question, the right option will be D, Bentham and Hooker. There is two statements. You have to, what are the statements and right and wrong, we have to identify them. Statement 1. In plants, the chloroplast facilitates the transport of a number of ions and other materials against concentration gradient into the vacuole. And statement 2. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for osmoregulation and excretions. In these questions, the correct option will be option A. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Now, we will go for question number 22. Now, we will discuss question number 22. We have to arrange them in correct pairing. In column 1, there is statin, Swiss cheese, cyclosporin A and biogas. In column 2, trichoderma, methanoBacterium, monoscus and propionibacterium. Now, if we observe this question number 22, we have to arrange column 1 and column 2 in pairing. So, statin with 3 monoscas. Swiss cheese will go with Propionibacterium, and C. Cyclosporin A will go with Trichoderma, and biogas Methanobacterium. So the right option of arrangement will be option C. Now from the question number 23, from the following statements about the menstrual cycle, which two are correct? Option 1, lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. Option 2, the changes in the ovary and the uterus are induced by change in the level of ovarian hormone only. Option 3, LH surge induce ovulation. And option 4, if fertilization occurs, the corpus luteum degenerates immediately. In these questions, the right option will be option C. Now question number 24, B cell and T cell responsible for acquired immune response in the body are found in the, and the options are thymus and bone marrow respectively. Bone marrow, thymus only, lymph node and bone marrow respectively. In this question, the right option will be option B, bone marrow. Now question number 25. The Hershey's experiment using bacteriophage demonstrate, and the options are semi-autonomous nature of DNA, all viruses are DNA virus, DNA is genetic material, DNA show repair mechanism. In these questions, the right option will be option C, DNA is genetic material. Question number 26. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores or by ablaноspores in, and the options are Collectridium, Saccharomyces, Rhizophus, Alternaria. In these questions, the right option will be Rhizophus. Now question number 27. The figure shows the experiment of T.H. Morgan on the linkage. If the cross 1 genes are tightly linked and in cross 2 genes are loosely linked, then that will be the percentage of recombination produced in cross 1 and cross 2 respectively. First we have to observe the figure, and then first there is first cross with parental and it gives to F1 generation, and then cross 2 parental and F1 generation. In this case, the right option will be option B. Question number 28. The phenomenon of development of organisms without fertilization of ovum is known as, and the options are adventive embryony, polyembryony, parthenocarpy, parthenogenesis. In this question, the right option will be option D, parthenogenesis. Now question number 29. The structure that are interconnected by corpus callosum or, and the options are cerebral hemisphere, ventricles of brain, cerebellar hemispheres and thalamus. In this question number 29, the right option will be option A, cerebral hemisphere. Now question number 30. The kind of evolution seen between flying insect, birds and bat is, and the options are divergent evolution, parallel evolution, retrogressive metamorphosis, convergent evolution. In this question the right option will be option D, convergent evolution. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I am Bilas and you are watching my YouTube channel Bilas _zoology. Thank you all.